Winter in Southern California doesn't really mean winter, but it does mean citrus season, and that's my favorite season. This year, my calamansi tree finally decided to grow up. She's officially produced more than 3 fruit and a dream, and I could not be happier. Today, I'm sharing with you how I use calamansi. It's very simple, cozy, and very much how we use it at our home. So the first recipe actually happened by accident, and that's how most recipes start off. I needed lemons for a chicken recipe that I normally make. I ran out of lemons, my lemon trees were bare, and I just remembered my awesome neighbor dropped off some calamansi a few days before, and I decided why not use the calamansi. It's a citrus, it's sour, does pretty much the same thing as lemons. It turned out so good, and it was bright, it was tangy, it was delicious. Now it's a repeat in the house. You know it's legit when your husband starts asking for it by name. Are we having the calamansi chicken tonight? One of my favorite ways to use calamansi is probably the simplest. It's a dipping sauce called Finadeni. And I'm just gonna squeeze some calamansi in here. Just need some calamansi, some soy sauce, and then some hot peppers if you like it a little spicy. I have dry pepper flakes here, and that's it. You can add green onions or any type of onions just for a little extra flavor, and that's it. This is a great dipping sauce for grilled meats. I especially love it with grilled fish and grilled chicken. So good. I have some chicken that I heated up in the microwave, and we're just gonna try it. Just dip it in there. It makes it so good. All right, next up, I'm gonna show you how to make a really great drink. It's pretty much like lemonade, but made with calamansi. Use whatever sweetener you like. I like to use honey, but we're just gonna squeeze some calamansi here. I like to use honey. Let's get some honey. Squeeze some honey in here. And just depending on your preference, how sweet you like it, just adjust accordingly. Great additions to this. I mean, this is just basic. You can add a little bit of mint just to make it a little more refreshing. Another variation is in the winter, like now, we can also do hot tea. Instead of cold water, add maybe a piece of ginger and you have yourself nice hot tea. So that's our honey. Let me add some water. Need a little bit more sweetness. Boom. And you teach me how to Dougie. How do you Dougie? Boom. And you teach me how to Dougie. All. Say you. Let's see. All right. A nice cup of sunshine. Cheers. So that's my cozy winter lineup. If you grow calamansi, let me know how you use it. And if you have another name for Calamansi-ade, I would love to hear it. I'm open to suggestions. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.